Hi, this is a quick tutorial on how to use Beamible for hybrid working needs. Our philosophy is that hybrid work needs should be based on the nature of the work that's done and whether it needs to be done in the office or whether it could be done at home. By mapping out the nature of the work that people do, we can then tag it to those various components and then understand what the hybrid work mix is for individuals, for teams, and for the organisation. Let's zoom in and take a look at how that works within the context of this people and culture team. So as I said, the first thing we need to do is to understand the bundles of work that people actually do in their roles. And as you can see here, the HR manager does things like policy development and developing HR strategies and initiatives. So they'll quickly populate that, which takes about 5 minutes, or select from a template. Secondly, for each one of those activities, we can see that, for instance, we need to go down into developing HR strategies and initiatives. That might be something best done in the office or best done at home. Okay, so we can quickly select a tag and go from there. What we see then is at the whole of team level is we can filter and have a look at the work mix. So let's have a look at how much work this team has selected should be done in the office and what the nature of that work is. What we can see here is 30% of our time needs to be done in the office. So that's 1 to 2 days a week. And when we go in, we can really drill down and have a look at what that work is and we can see that it's really clustering around the HR manager team, including the P&C coordinators, which isn't unusual. It's often the more junior members of the team who want to be in and gaining those learning experiences. If we then zoom out to the organisation, we can see where those insights become really powerful to inform our workforce planning strategy and our office space needs, and provide a defensible position as well around why particular roles are hybrid or remote or fully in the office. So let's have a look at that filter again and select the tag of in the office. What we can see is that across the organisation, 37% of our time is best spent in the office according to the nature of the work that's done. Now, that selection on what type of work should be done in the office or at home can either be done from a manager perspective through populating different job families, and that could be scaled out across organisations of thousands very quickly, or you could do it from a bottom up and really understand from individuals what work that they really want to get done in the office and at home and make your decisions based on that. Okay, so once we've seen at the organisational level that around 2 days a week is the average, the most interesting thing then is to go in and zoom in and see, well, where are the teams that are spending a lot of time in the office, and what sorts of office space do they need, and what experiences are they going to need? And we can see here that this team that's come up as quite highlighted is spending quite a lot of time in the office. Again, that's your people and culture team, as well as your finance team. Okay. Hope that was helpful, and please let us know if we can help you further with your hybrid work strategy.